Hey, Frankie. Long time no see you. I got a package for you from your dad, straight from France. He told me to bring it today. How are you, my boy? Hey, Uncle Ron, thanks. You can leave it on the table. Wow, wow. Wait a minute. What's that face? What's wrong? You look like someone just stole your favorite sandwich. Are you okay? Yeah, I mean, not really. But it's nothing important. Come on, Frankie. I know you since you were in diapers. What happened? Don't lie to your Uncle Ron. Talk to me. What's going on? It's a little embarrassing, Uncle. I don't really want to talk about it. When has that ever stopped you before? I've seen you cry over a broken video game. Oh boy, you can talk to me about anything. Come on, let it out. Okay, fine. I just, I don't know. Lately, I feel really bad. I feel lonely. It's been a long time since I had a girlfriend, and every time I try to start something with someone, it doesn't work. Nothing ever works. So that's what's been bothering you, huh? Love problems. You know, I had a feeling. I mean, you've been avoiding family dinners and not answering texts. Then I thought something was not okay. Tell me more. I mean, I'm almost 40. My friends are married. Some of them already have two kids. They have houses, family vacations, and someone to love. And me, I go to work, eat frozen pizza, and watch TV shows alone. I thought I thought by now I would have a wife, maybe a little boy or girl, but nothing. Oh, Frankie, that's a hard feeling. But I want you to listen to me. Being single at 40 is not a crime. It doesn't mean something is wrong with you. I don't know. It feels like something is wrong with me, Uncle. Maybe I'm not good looking. Maybe I'm too boring. Maybe I don't have what women are looking for. Maybe I missed my chance. Wait there. Hold your horses. Let's not fall into the trap of self hate. Look at you. You're smart. You have a job. You're kind. You're funny. Okay, maybe a little too obsessed with pizza, but that's not the end of the world. I don't know, Uncle. Every time I talk to a girl and I start to like her, it just, how can I say it, goes wrong. she loses interest, or I get nervous, or we don't connect. And then, boom, I'm alone again. One more time. Let me tell you something important, Frankie. Relationships are not like instant noodles. You don't just add water and wait 3 minutes. What I mean is that relationships, they take time, and sometimes people are just not ready, or the connection isn't right, and that's okay. But why does it feel like everyone else is getting it right and I'm just stuck? That's simple, because you're comparing your life to their outside. You see the pictures on social media, the happy couples, the smiling babies, but you don't see the rest, the arguments, the stress, the sacrifices. Trust me, I've been married for 38 years. It's not a fairy tale every day. Yeah, I guess I only see the good parts from the outside. Exactly. And listen, being single is not a failure, it's just a season. Some people meet the right person at 20, others at 50. Life is not a race. It's not a competition to see who gets married first. Of course not. It's about being ready when it finally happens. That's it. I feel like, what if it never happens? What if I'm just meant to be alone? Then you make peace with your own company. And who knows? Sometimes when we stop looking so hard, love finds us. You might meet someone when you least expect it, at the store, on a bus, during a boring meeting at work. But you have to stop thinking you are not enough. You are enough, Frankie. You don't need to be taller, richer, more handsome. You just need to be you. And the right person will see that and love you because of it, not in spite of it. Well, I needed to hear that. I've been so hard on myself lately. I even stopped going out. I just thought, what's the point? The point is living your life fully, no matter your relationship status. Travel, learn new things, take care of yourself, and love, it will come. And when it does, you'll be ready, not desperate, not lost, but ready. Thanks, Uncle Ron. Really, I feel a little better now. Maybe I've been too focused on what I don't have instead of enjoying what I do have. That's the spirit. And hey, I was single until I was 38. And look at me now, happily married, with three crazy grandkids. Life works in mysterious ways. So you're saying there's still hope for me? Hope? Frankie, there's more than hope. There's a whole future ahead of you. Just be patient, be open, and keep being the good man you are. And next time you start feeling down, remember your Uncle Ron believes in you. Thanks, Uncle. And thanks for the package and the life advice. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.